Today, I want to share how creating my own wardrobe has changed the way I dress, shop, and think about clothes. Let's dive in. I have increased confidence in my style. I've been sewing for many, many years, but I didn't make my entire wardrobe until just a few years ago. My goal is to have about 80% of my wardrobe being me made, and I'm very close to that. There's a few things that I would still buy, like maybe sweaters and things like that, that I'm really not going to sew, and probably bathing suits too. I have sewed one bathing suit, and they're very challenging. So I probably would continue to buy those sort of things, but who knows? So, because I now sew my whole wardrobe, it really has changed the way I look at things. I used to go into stores and things would be very trendy, and I tend to like very minimal things. And it's very hard to find clean lines unless you're spending a lot of money, which I couldn't afford to do. So now that I'm sewing my own wardrobe, I can really have those clean lines that I love. I can focus on the quality fabrics, particularly over the last, let's say, maybe 10 plus years. The quality of the fabric that you get in stores, even high end stores. I was at Saks Fifth Avenue looking, I go and I like sort of see what kind of fabrics they have on these very high end, like $1,000 dresses and stuff, just to like for more for research. And the fabric is terrible. Like I am shocked at the quality of these even really expensive clothes. Everything is made from polyester. Now I do like polyester sometimes. I think you can get good quality, but you have to be very careful. And I really would not expect, perhaps if I'm spending $3,000 or $5,000 on something, that I would be buying polyester. So I love that I can get the quality fabric that I like in the styles that I like. It is so much better, and it's the fit. So I know now that the clothes fit me perfectly because I make my own sloper. And so every pattern is like based off of that sloper that fits me perfectly. I'm an atypical size because I'm 6 foot tall. So everything would just be short on me. I could never find sleeves that were long enough. The waist was always too high. Forget it. If something was supposed to be to your mid thigh, it would be super high on me. Or even if something's supposed to be to the knee, it would be mid thigh for me. So it was very, very hard to get the fit. So now that I make my whole wardrobe, I get the designs that I like, I get the fabric that's good quality, and I get a perfect fit. I now approach my wardrobe with more intention and thoughtfulness. Instead of just having an impulse purchase by seeing something online or being in a store and grabbing something, particularly fast fashion, I carefully think through what is my next garment because I have to sketch the garment, I have to source the fabric, then I have to make the pattern. So it's a long process, one which I really enjoy. So I'm very thoughtful of when and what I'm going to make. I really am not interested in fast fashion and never have been very much. But we are increasingly getting more and more stores are like that. They're not selling things with good quality fabrics. They're selling things that are going to expect that next season you're going to buy something new. I am the type of person that likes to hold my things for a very long time. And that's what I can do when I buy good quality fabrics and I take my time and think how this garment is going to fit into my overall wardrobe, given the lead time and the amount of time that it takes for every one of my garments. People always ask if making your own clothes saves money. I would say sometimes, because quality fabric can be quite expensive. So when you compare a dress that I might be buying quality fabric with a dress that's in the store that maybe is selling for $50, the quality is not the same. But if I can compare the high quality of my fabric with then looking for something of equal quality, I would say, yes, it's going to be less expensive. I did make a dress that I had seen a Oscar de la Renta online. It was a $3,000 dress. This woman had worn it on Shark Tank and I loved it. So I looked it up and I couldn't believe the price. So instead, I got a similar kind of fabric and a similar pattern. I did change the design around a little bit because I didn't prefer some of like the ruffle on the neck, and I changed the placket to just be, no placket. I like things a little bit more simple, which is the joy of making your own clothes, because while I did love this dress, I didn't love every single aspect of it. So I recreated it for a fraction of the cost. I'll put up the cost here, but I think I ended up paying maybe $80, something like that, for by the time I bought the fabric. So it was a lot cheaper than $3,000. So I think when you compare quality to quality, it is less expensive. But unfortunately, it is very, very hard at this point to find this very good quality clothing in ready to wear. I find that they expect that you're going to be buying something new next year, so it only has to last a year. I like to wear my clothing for years and years and years. So when you do that, it does end up being cheaper because you have good quality. It'll last a very long time. So I do think ultimately it is cheaper for me to make my own clothes. And I would say the biggest way that sewing has changed my life is the creative outlet. I absolutely love everything about the sewing process. I love coming up with the inspiration. I love sketching out the design. I love searching and sourcing the fabric. My favorite probably is creating the pattern from my sloper and then ultimately sewing it. It's just such a wonderful process and I enjoy it. Oh, and then I don't want to fail to mention the joy of wearing the garment and then getting like compliments. That is an amazing thing when you get compliments. Sometimes I tell people I made it, sometimes I don't, but people, if you do tell them, they're usually quite amazed because at least where I live, not very many people sew their own clothes. So it's not just about the clothes, it's about the process. This whole process has brought me so much joy, and I wouldn't change that for anything. And if you want to jump into an easy project, check out this video here where I make the pattern from your measurements and show you how to sew this beautiful gathered 3-tier skirt. And if you'd enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.